Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. If your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled, it usually means the wrong screen passcode has been entered too many times. In this video, I will show you how to reset the unavailable iPhone. This method is useful when you forgot your iPhone passcode and you cannot access the home screen anymore. There is one important warning. When you remove a forgotten iPhone screen passcode, the device normally needs to be reset. This means the data currently stored on the iPhone may be erased, but later you can restore your previous data from the backup while setting up the iPhone. Now move to your Windows computer or Mac. Open your browser and download Tenorshare 4U key from the official link in the video description. After downloading, install the software and then open it. On the main screen, select the option used to remove the iPhone screen passcode. This is the feature for fixing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, iPhone disabled, or a forgotten screen passcode. Now connect the unavailable iPhone to the computer using a reliable USB cable. Because the iPhone is locked, the software may ask you to put the device into recovery mode. So follow the on-screen instructions to put the iPhone into the recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when the Apple logo appears. Release it only when the recovery mode screen appears. Once the iPhone enters recovery mode, Tenorshare 4U key should detect it automatically. Now the software will show the iPhone model and the required iOS firmware package. Then click Download. The firmware file can be several gigabytes, so make sure your internet connection is stable and your computer has enough free storage. While the firmware is downloading, keep the iPhone connected and do not close the software. Once the firmware download is complete, 4U key will start removing the screen passcode. Before continuing, remember again that this process will reset the iPhone and erase the current data on the device. During the process, the iPhone may restart several times. You may see the Apple logo, a progress bar, a black screen, or the recovery mode screen. This is normal. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Do not close 4U key and do not restart the computer. Wait until the software confirms that the screen passcode has been removed successfully. After the process is complete, the iPhone will restart and show the Hello screen. This means the iPhone unavailable screen has been removed and the forgotten screen passcode has been reset. Now start setting up the iPhone again. Select your language, choose your country or region, connect to Wi-Fi. Now finish the remaining setup steps. Once you reach the home screen, your iPhone is ready to use again. So this is how you can fix iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone disabled using Tenorshare 4U key. The official download link is available in the video description.
One more important thing before ending the video. Tenorshare 4U key is a paid software, so some features may require a license before completing the unlock process. If you want a simpler guided method, you can try 4U key from the link in the description. But if you want the official free method from Apple, you can also use iTunes, Finder, or Apple devices to restore the iPhone manually. I have added the iTunes download link and my complete iTunes tutorial link in the description as well. Just remember, the official iTunes method also erases the iPhone when removing a forgotten screen passcode. So make sure you have an iCloud backup or computer backup if you want to restore your data afterward. So choose the method that works best for you. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tutorials and iOS recovery guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.